Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿平哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Lin, and literally we're gonna get Leo to talk about Hakka. It's really fun to bring some of these Hakka nursery rhymes to our audience right now, to our listeners. 所以今天 Leo 呢，可不可以给我们念一段童谣？
好，我念这个童谣哈，它叫做七股神。
七股神，
七股神是讲说北斗七星的意思。
Oh, so this nursery rhyme is based on the constellation of the seven stars of the Northern Dipper. 也就是北斗七星所引申出来的一个童谣。
对。七股神，七姊妹，葉菜園喜摘菜。
这句话是七姑星，然后有听到七个姐妹，是不是？
对，七个姐妹。
然后呢？
到菜园里头，然后去摘菜。
Okay, so the first line of this nursery rhyme, it just means a bunch of sisters getting together, going into the farm, going into the field, and doing some work there.
好，接下来摘葉皮，留葉皮，留到明年加滿意。
好，这句话就有点完全不知道它的意思了。
那个菜很多叶子嘛，对不对？就是摘一片，留一片。意思就是说留到明年当嫁妆的意思。
Okay, so these bunch of girls working in the field, they take a little here, they save a little there. Hopefully they can save up for their marriage, for their wedding that could come next year. Okay, that's the second line of this nursery rhyme. 再来呢？
莫加上，莫加下，加到河順太屋下。他的意思就是说，不要嫁得太遠，那也不要嫁得太近，要嫁到河邊那個有錢人家裡去。
Oh, okay, this third line expands on the fact that these sisters are waiting to be married. And when they wed, they don't want to be wed too far away and not too near their town either. Somewhere right in between, hopefully right by the riverbank with a big house.
我们再講最後一句哦。要有糖，要有渣，食到買兒牙沙沙。其实这句话的意思就是说他们嫁到有钱人家嘛，有钱人家就有田可以种甘蔗啊，有糖可以吃啊，会吃的心情很愉快。
Oh, interesting line right here. To wrap up the nursery rhyme, again reflects on these girls who are waiting to be married and hopefully that they could wed into a wealthy family and be content with their life. And they're going to be smiley all the time, where you can always see their teeth. You know, 就是把这个牙齿露在外面，就是表现很开心。So there you go, a very interesting nursery rhyme from the Hakka culture. Hope you enjoyed it. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.